Hello friends, our today's functional groups are carboxyl group and formyl group. Carboxyl groups are present in carboxylic acid and formyl group are aldehydic group. Is always present in an aldehyde. Okay, look, this is C double bond OH carboxyl group. If this group is attached to the alkyl group, the compound form will be a carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. But the carboxyl prefixes are form that we have discussed in previous lecture. For this, carboxyl prefix is acid. Yes. For this, carboxyl prefix is propion. For this, carboxyl prefix is butene. For this, carboxyl prefix is vanillin. And for last one, the carboxyl prefix is capro. From that, the carboxylic acids are for carboxyl we write form, and next one is ic acid. It is formic acid. It will be an acetic acid. It will be propionic acid. It will be butyric acid. This one is valeric acid, and this last one is caproic acid. Now, the all primary prefixes, carboxyl prefixes like form, acid, propion, butyl, valine, and capro, all derived from the common names of carboxylic acid which are obtained from their natural sources. For example, the formic acid is obtained from formica. Latin word formica means red ants. When red ants bites, they inject some amount of formic acid in our body, which produces a burning sensation. This formic acid is also present in honeybee. So the first compound formic acid take its name from formica, red ants. Okay. Next compound take its name from acetum, that is vinegar. The third carboxylic acid takes its name from propionum. That is, it is the first fatty acid of this series. These two acids properly dissolve in water. These acids are insoluble in water. That is, therefore, these acids are fatty acids. For the first fatty acid of the series, the common name comes from propionum, that is pro-fat, first fatty acid of this series. Its common names come from butyrum, that is from buttermilk. Its common name comes from the name of a plant root, valerian roots. And last one, the name caproic acid comes from capar milk. This acid is present in capar milk. Therefore, it gets the name caproic acid. First four names are derived from Latin words: formica, acetum, propionum, and butyrum. Okay. This is all about the carboxylic acid. In similar fashion, we will discuss about aldehydes. In aldehydes, the functional group is this: formyl group or aldehydic group. If this group is attached to the alkyl group, we get corresponding carboxyl aldehyde. So, if this group is present on hydrogen, from the primary prefixes, we will write here for carboxyl, we have write form, acid, propion, butyl, valine. For carboxyl, again we for yes, acid, okay, then propion, then valine, butyl, then valine, and then capro. Okay, and look at the structures of aldehydes. CH double bond, CH double bond, CH double bond, OCH double bond, OCH double bond, OCH double bond, OCH double bond, O. And their primary prefixes are for acid, okay, propion, then butyl, okay, valine, and then capro. We will follow them as aldehyde. So it will get a name formaldehyde. Its name becomes acetaldehyde. Again, propion aldehyde, butyl aldehyde, valine aldehyde, caproaldehyde. So it is all about the common names. How to write the common names of carboxylic acid and common names of aldehyde. And we have discussed two functional groups today. One is carboxyl group and other is formyl or aldehydic group. In the next lecture, we will discuss the remaining functional group, and in this series, we will further discuss how to write the IUPAC name of the totally discussed compounds in another system also, for Greek word system and IUPAC system. Okay. So friends, thank you.